Today I'm going to show how to make Korean spicy pork. For the ingredient, I have some sliced pork, garlic, ginger, chili, oil, salt, fish sauce, and sugar cane. Okay, and right now I'm going to mix all ingredients inside the machine. Three coffee spoons of sugar cane, one coffee spoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Okay, and right now I cover the machine and start to mix it. Okay, and right now all ingredients already mixed well. So right now I'm going to add inside the pork. Add oil and mix it about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, the pork right now is done mixed. So I'm going to cover and put inside refrigerator overnight. Okay, and right now it's time to cook the pork after keep overnight. So right now I'm going to put all the pork on a grill tray. Okay, and let's cook the pork about 40 minutes or until it's become golden brown. Okay, right now my grilled pork is done. Thank you for watching my recipe. For more video, please like and subscribe my channel.